I heard all the time the voice of Joyce to say, come to pick, come to take me off at the hospital. All the time, it's like that in my head, in my heart.
Alice Echequan can't shake the voice of her cousin Joyce, recorded during her final moments in a Quebec hospital last month. The disturbing video captured healthcare workers insulting her and swearing at her.
It's enough the discrimination. It's enough the racism.
It's a message Joyce's loved ones took to Ottawa. Minister Miller, I beg you to help me. I beg you, Madame Bennett, to help me. One of Joyce's 7 children and a family friend took to their knees, pleading with federal ministers during a meeting on Parliament Hill last week. I don't want to wait 1 year, her family friend says. I want action. I want action to start tomorrow.
I should have gotten down on one knee and begged them for forgiveness for a system that failed them.
Today, Indigenous Services Minister Mark Miller said he's now calling an urgent meeting with Indigenous leaders to find solutions, noting the inequality faced by Indigenous people has real health consequences.
Why the hell would I go get a flu vaccine if I was going to get treated like garbage?
Some Indigenous people are afraid of going to hospital because of how they might be treated, this chief says.
The system is not at par in terms of what our people would expect.
He says Indigenous communities should take control of their own healthcare system, which primarily falls under provincial jurisdiction.
We need also to have the space to provide healthcare services based on our own realities.
The federal government is working on carving out that space. It's a complicated task, but there's urgency to see change. Olivia Stefanovic, CBC News, Ottawa.